Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to the another video. In this video, I will tell you how can you write a program in Python to print multiplication table of a number using while for loop. So to write multiplication table, what we have to do is first we have to take number in a variable. So I will write here a variable named num int equals to enter a number. Now I think it is very familiar to you. So I enter a number and then to write a multiplication table, we have to write here for I in range 1 to 11 as this for loop will goes to 1 to 10. Now I will print here print num and then x, or can say multiply sign and then comma and then I and then again comma and then equals to and then comma and then num into I. If you have not understand this, let me do a explanation. So first I will write here num. So the number which we will enter will write here in the place of num. Let us say 2 and then x means this will show the multiplication sign. So x and then I. So I comes from here. Let us say 2 into 1 and then equals to sign and then num into I. So if here is 2 and here is 1. So here this print function will write 2 into 1 equals to 2 and goes till the 10th. So let me run this program. So here is an error. What is that? So here is error is that I have not write here comma. So now run it again and it runs successfully. Now the terminal is asking to enter a number. Let us say 12. No, I will write a 19 as we don't learn table of 19, or can say it is difficult to learn the table of 19 in our school days. I think so. So here you can see that table of 19 is written very easily. So this is how you can write table of any number. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.